So what do we get to know? That naming words names a person, place or thing. So everything has a name and that name is called naming word. Why have we given name to everything? So that we can identify things and we can call someone, and we can identify places, we can identify animals, we can identify birds, persons, our relatives. So that's why we have given name to everything, and those names are called naming words. Now listen to me very carefully. All these are names: dog, cat, bat, ball, flower, birds, man, boy, girl, pencil, school. Now these names are called common names. These are the example of some names I am giving. These are called common names. Why these are called common names? COMMON, common. Common means जो चीज़ आम हो, जो चीज़ बहुत regular हो, which is ठीक है common. तो why this is common now? Dog can be many. There can be many species of dogs. There can be so many dogs. So सब पूरे डॉग एनिमल के लिए एक नाम रख दिया है हमने, डॉग. सिमिलरली दैट इज फॉर कैट. बैट कैन बी ऑफ एनी ब्रांड. इफ यू वॉच क्रिकेट देन यू सी दैट एवरी प्लेयर दे यूजेस डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स ऑफ बैट व्हाइल डूइंग बैटिंग. सो बैट कैन बी ऑफ डिफरेंट ब्रांड. ऐसे ही बॉल, कॉस्को की बॉल आती है, लेदर की बॉल आती है, बहुत सारी बॉल्स आती है, राइट? सो देर आर सो मेनी बॉल्स. फ्लावर, देर आर सो मेनी फ्लावर्स इन द वर्ल्ड. रोज, मैरीगोल्ड, carnations, tulip. There are so many flowers in the world. Birds, there are so many birds in the world. Crow, all right. So there are so many birds in the world. ऐसे ही there are so many man in the world. बहुत सारे man हैं. Your father is a man, your uncle is a man. There are so many man in the world. ऐसे ही there are so many boys in the world. आपकी क्लास में बहुत सारे boys हैं, बहुत सारी girls हैं. There are different pencils which you use. There are different schools. There are so many schools, but for those schools we have a name, school. So these are common names given to every category. Dog is a category, उनको dog बोलते हैं. Cat, bat, ball, flower, bird, man, boy, girl, pencil, school. ठीक है, these are common names. Now dog can be any dog. Every dog has its own unique name. All right. Cat can be so many cats. Every cat has their own unique name. Bat can be of many brands. Ball can be of many brands. Flower can be many. Birds can be many. Man can be many. Boy can be many. Girl can be many. Pencils can be many. School can be many. So these are called common names when we are not giving a particular name to everyone. Now look at this. Suppose there is a dog. Alright, dog is a common man. Dog can be, बहुत सारे dog हो सकते हैं. But if I have given a certain name to a specific dog, that is Tommy, that means I am talking about a particular dog, Tommy. Alright. So Tommy is a particular dog about which I am talking about. So that Tommy is a special name which I have given to one dog. Alright. Dog can be many, but my dog's name is Tommy. Alright. ऐसे ही cat. There can be so many cats. But I have a cat and the name of that cat is Tim. I call him Tim. Bat. There are so many bats which batsmen use while playing cricket. Suppose Sachin Tendulkar uses bat and the name of that bat is Kent. K-E-N-T, Kent. Ball. Ball can be of many brands. Alright. Have you seen that green वाली ball? Green वाली ball जो बहुत हल्की होती है, उससे क्रिकेट खेलते हैं हम लोग घर के अंदर. So that ball is of Costco. That company's name is Costco. So Costco is a special name because it is of a company's name. Special है. Ball can be many, but I'm talking about a Costco, particular ball, Costco. ऐसे ही toffee. There are so many toffees. Alright. But I'm talking about the toffee which is eclairs. It is a chocolate toffee, eclairs. And the name of the toffee is eclairs. When you go to the shop and you said to shopkeeper, you say to shopkeeper that please give me some toffees. Then shopkeeper asks you that which toffee do you want? Then you say that I want this or I want that. I want eclairs. So you tell the special name of the toffee which you want. Now flowers can be many. Alright. ऐसे ही birds can be many. Suppose I have a bird and I have a parrot. Alright, parrot can be so many parrots. But I have a parrot and I have named that parrot Polly. The name of my parrot is Polly. So Polly is a special name which I have given to this parrot. So Polly is a special name. So that's why common names are those names which are general for everyone, and special names are those names which are given to things by us जो हमें चाहिए हैं. Those are special name. Suppose my name is Richa. Richa is a special name. It is a special name. All right. I am a girl. So girl is a common name. But my name is Richa. Everyone calls me with Richa. So it is my special name. Whatever your name is, it is a special name. Your father's name, your mother's name, your sister names are all special name. Suppose you have a pencil and that pencil is of the brand Natraj. If something is mentioned on that pencil and it is written Natraj, so that means the name of that pencil is Natraj. So Natraj is the special name. Suppose you have a ball and the name of that ball is Costco. So Costco is a special name. So there are common names and there are special names. Special names are the names which are given to the particular things by us. Suppose we live in Delhi. Delhi is a city. Delhi एक शहर है. But we have given this city a name. Alright. And the name of this city is Delhi. D-E-L-H-I. Delhi. Delhi is a special name. So now you get there are common names and there are special names. Now let's first of all what you have to do, you need to write the names of any 10 things. Alright. Now I have named table, bag, ball, bat, pencil, chair, book, egg, hat, pen. Name of any 10 things. Now write the name of 5 fruits. I have written apple, banana, orange, peach, grapes. Alright. Write the name of 5 animals. I have written cow, deer, fox, goat, lion. Alright. Now there can be so many apples in the world, but I prefer Washington apples. Alright. Washington apple. The Washington is the name of the apple. It is the name of a particular apple which I like. So that Washington is a special name. Suppose there are so many cows in the world, but I have a cow and name of that cow is Bully. So that Bully is a special name which I have given to my cow. Now write the name of 5 birds. Peacock, crow, parrot, owl, dove. Alright. Now I have a parrot and I have named my parrot Polly. So the Polly is the special name for that parrot. So parrot is a common name and Polly is a special name. Write the name of your family members. Now what you have to do, you have to write the name of your family members. Your name, your father's name, your mother's name, your sister name, your brother name, your uncle, your auntie, जिसका भी आपको नाम लिखना है. Write the name of 5 places. Alright, 5 places I have written Delhi, Agra, Mumbai, Goa, Italy. Now very important thing. When we write common names, then we can use, when we are starting the sentence with a common name, then we always have to start the sentence with a capital letter. But common names are written in normal letters, small letters. Alright. But with special names are always written with a capital letter. They always begin with a capital letter. आपका नाम, मेरा नाम, किसी जगह का नाम. Alright. जो भी किसी का पर्टिकुलर नेम होगा, स्पेशल नेम होगा, that has to be written with a capital letter. तो special names are always written with a capital letter and this thing is not applied in common names. Common names को start करने के लिए capital letters की जरूरत नहीं होती until unless that is the beginning of the sentence. Only then we write in a capital letter. Otherwise, special names are written in capital letter only because they are the special name of people. So Delhi, Agra, Mumbai, Goa, Italy. ये सब जगहों के नाम है and I have written them in a capital letter. Alright. और यहाँ पे मैंने इसलिए कैपिटल लेटर में लिखा है क्योंकि मैंने नंबरिंग दी हुई है. अगर मैं सेंटेंस में लिखूंगी तो आई विल नॉट राइट देम इन अ कैपिटल लेटर. Alright. So that is your naming words. I will be sending you these exercises. You need to do these.